Hello and welcome, John Croner with Bullseye Trader. I'd like to welcome you to the Artificial Intelligence Holiday and Market Update for Friday, November the 23rd, 2018. And just want to let you know about a little special we are running here at Trade Ideas. It's our Black Friday special, and we can save you 25% on this software that we've been using and demonstrating for you. It'll help you be a better trader. It'll provide you with all kind of ideas and hopefully hone your skills a little bit and put money in your pocket. This is the link to go ahead and get to it. You just use the code Black Friday 25. That'll save you 25% by the month or for the whole year. So if you think that you would like it, I do highly encourage you to get the premium package and get it for the whole year. That'll give you your greatest savings. We're going to go ahead and get into it, but just to let you know that as you're going to see as we go through the market update here in a minute, Holly, made $21.96 this week on 140 combined trades. That was on the risk on, and she made $10.06 in the risk off mode. So, when you see what the market did, that is pretty amazing. So I highly encourage you to take a good look at this software and consider joining us in using it. Right now we're going to go ahead. The market ended up, and of course, as you remember, I like to use the Think or Swim platform, and we take a look at the daily chart. And now we only have 4 days this week as there was no trading on Thursday, and the market's closed at 1 o'clock today. And so we look at the daily on the left side, and we go ahead and take a look at the weekly on the right side. Let's run through our FANG stocks real fast so that we can see what happened with those. And we can see the volatility here in Amazon, but yet on the weekly, you can see here, even though it closed in about the middle of the candle, you can see it was quite a big gap. So it'll be interesting next week to watch to see if we can get back above any of these moving averages. The only one we're above right now is the 200. Looking a little bit rough there, but we'll let the market tell us what it's going to do. Google, you can see they chopping it throughout the week, and once again closed closer to the bottom than the top. So pretty major pullback on that. With the holiday week, not a whole ton of volume, but definitely a big pullback. Netflix, as soon as it shows up here, come on here, getting a little bit of delay in the chart right now, and you can see the little bit of a chop there, an attempt at a recovery, but closed very near the lows there as well, coming through the cloud. We have two moving averages headed down and two moving up, so we'll have to keep an eye there. Apple continues its trek down. Look at that, closed near lows, so Apple is not doing well at all. I guess the apple a day didn't keep the doctor away. And look here, Facebook has now broken through the 200 moving average on the weekly. So Facebook looking very bad, down to 131.73 to close the week out. So a lot of interesting things to happen there. Now to the equity ETFs that we follow, and you can see IWM has been trying the last 2 days to make a recovery, but even though it's gone up, it gets pulled back down. So a little bit of effort there, but not looking real strong. Once again, you can see the 20 and the 8 moving average is definitely trending down. The 50 here is rolling over, and 200's down here. So IWM not looking healthy at all. Your Qs for your technology stocks, you've got the inverted hammer here. You can see the pullback here breaking through all kind of support and closed closer to the lows than the highs. The diamonds, they closed at lows, so there's really not a whole lot to talk about there. Just a major pullback in process. And the spiders, And here it is coming up now, and it'll be here any second. And it looks very, very similar to the diamonds. Closed right at lows. So a lot of damage done in these charts this week. We'll see if any good news comes out. Of course, if the Trump administration comes out with any good news on China, we're out to get some good turnaround. But no signs of that. Looking at the charts now, but let's see what happens next week. Now let's go ahead and take a look at Holly, see how she did today. And once again, in a shortened day, she had 4 trades in Holy Grail for a profit of 42 cents. Risk on, just a profit of 5 cents. Her risk off trade, the best one was DXCM for a 75-cent profit, a long trade. And you can see here, actually pretty painless trade. If you held till the end of the day, 85-cent profit. And CLVS was a short trade, 17 cents profit, timed exit, and you can see where she got out of it. Had you held till the end of the day, you'd have been rewarded with a nice 85-cent profit. Holly 2.0 made 12 trades for $1.07 profit. Risk on profit was $2 even, so she did very, very well there. And her risk on profit was DXCM, same thing, best trade there. And you know what? I apologize. I did not adjust this to the proper one here. I have to do some chart adjustments. So the review there was actually for Holly 2.0 that we were going over, and I was her best trade in both categories, a short trade, and you can see here she called it, right at the top. If you look here at the daily, it's very interesting because the stock was pulling back. It went up for a couple of days, and right when it got to the top, look at that, she called it right there at 25.30. Okay, so I mean, wait, I'm sorry, 24.93. So it was right there at the very top, and then she made 44 cents profit. Held it till the end of the day, you would have made 41 cents. And then we come down here to our Holly Neo, 57 cents profit, and $2 or 2 cents on the risk on for a loss. And the same thing with only 2 trades. This best trade was I. So there is your Holly update. Well, let's go ahead and bring in the Excel spreadsheet so we can review it just a little bit more. So for the week, Holly Grail had 28 trades, $3.92 profit. 816 was the risk on profit. Holly 2.0 had $58 trades. $3.84 was the risk on off profit. $1.74 risk on profit. Holly Neo had 54 trades, $2.30 profit. 1206 risk on profit. And she had overall for Friday 18 trades, a profit of 206, risk on profit of $1.82. And so to make that per share of stock, bought or sold, over the day with the market the way it was is fantastic. And for the week, 140 trades, $10.06 combined risk off profit, 21.96 risk on profit. So, if that's not enough for you to give this software a try, by golly, I don't know what is. I mean, this software is performing just unbelievably. So I certainly, would invite you to give that a try. And if you're not already following me, you can do that at bullseyetrader.com. You can always like me on Facebook, follow me at Twitter or StockTwits. If you give me a thumbs up on here, I'd sure appreciate it. Maybe share it with some friends and relatives and that sort of thing. And, I just want to remind you one more time, Black Friday 25 is your code to save you 25% for 1 month or 1 year, your choice. So hope to see you there. Hey, happy holidays one more time. I hope you and your family are just enjoying it. Now's the time to think about family for a couple days and not stocks. But if you are thinking about stocks, think about this software. And hey, thank you.